Hi, I'm Matt with Salesdialers.com. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make the most out of your manager's account. Your manager's account is a very valuable and powerful tool, especially for those that have more than one agent calling for them. The manager's account itself does not make calls. Only agent accounts can make calls. But the manager's account is where you can oversee all of your calling agents. In today's video, we're going to show you some of the cool things that you can do with your manager's account. The manager's account has the ability to do lots of cool things. And those are things like show you dashboard statistics, you can do call monitoring, you can disable your agent account privileges, you can add new users, you can upload campaigns and assign them to your agents, you can pull reports on your agent's productivity, you can listen to your agent's call recordings, you can access your billing information, you can purchase more SMS credits, you can even purchase an additional seat. All right, so now we're going to go and we're going to take a look at a bunch of those things. All right, so the first thing that we're going to take a look at here are what are called the dashboard statistics. And that's these numbers you see right up here at the top. Now, my account is only a demo account, so these are all zeros, but in an actual working account, there would be detailed information here. And what this is this is a quick overview of everything that's happened in the last 7 days. So it just very quickly showed you how many leads, how many calls are made, how many appointments are made, how many callbacks. All right, the next cool thing on your manager's account is the call monitoring. You'll note there are 3 ways you can monitor calls. You can monitor, you can whisper, or you can barge into them. So basically, this is where you can go and in real time, you can silently listen in and monitor your agent's calls. There's 3 ways to do it. You can simply monitor them where they can't hear you, or you can whisper, where you can whisper in your agent's ear without the prospect hearing you. Or the third option is where you can barge into the call. Now, we do have a separate video that goes into this in much more detail. If you want to learn more details on this, please go take a look at that video. And of course, in real time down here, it will show you all of your agents that are currently making calls. And over here for any live calls would be the 3 buttons to monitor, whisper, or barge into that call. All right. Another cool thing that you can do from your manager's account is you can disable your agent's privileges. So if we come over here to the left on the main menu, we go to users and we click on view users. This is going to list all of the agents that are within your account. You'll notice for each agent, there's this button with the padlock on it. If we click this, this is disable agent privileges. Now, again, this is something else that there is a video specifically on this subject that will go into much more detail. If you want to learn more, please go take a look at that video. But in here, you can disable the things your agent can do. You can disable the ability to create campaigns, delete campaigns, to print contacts, to export, and lots of things like that. One of the other cool things you can do with your manager's account is you can change your agent's passwords. If you ever need to change an agent account password, you can log in your manager's account, come over here to users, view users, and then over on the right for each agent, you'll see this little blue pencil button. You can click that. And then if we come down the screen, you'll see password and confirm password. Here you can change it. And then you would just simply click the update button at the bottom to reset the password for one of your agent accounts. Another cool thing we can do in here is we can add another user. So maybe you want to have a couple of people sharing an account, but you would like to have your other staff members to have their own unique login so that you can track things for payday and for various other reasons. You can come in here and you can enter in their information. You can assign them a username and a password, and you can create a new user from here. Another cool thing that you can do with your manager's account is you can upload campaigns from here and assign them out to your agents. Well, This really depends on how your company is set up. In some companies, the agents are going to be uploading their own campaigns to their own accounts. In other organizations, maybe they might have a central admin who is going to handle the creating of campaigns for all of the agents. If your company is set up in that way, where you're going to have an admin uploading all the campaigns, your admin can simply log into the manager's account. Your admin can go to calling campaigns, create campaign, just like you would from an agent account. The only difference is down here at the bottom is you can tell the system which agent you want that campaign assigned to. Other cool things that we can do in here is you can come in and you can pull reports for your agents, from campaign statistics reports inside of the reports, or within the calling campaigns, there is calling reports. And you can select the specific agent that you want the report from. Select campaign. And the system would give you all of the calling report for that agent. While we're talking about that, another cool thing that you can do from the manager account is you can listen to your agent's call recordings. Now, provided inside of the campaign that your agent's been calling, the option called call recording is enabled. The system will record all of that agent's connected calls. And then from your manager's account, you can simply come into the calling reports, select the agent, select the dates that you want to listen to the calls for. And then when you bring up the calling report for each connected call over on the right, and where it says recording here, you'll notice a play button and a download button. So again, another cool thing from the manager's account, you can listen to all of your agent's call recordings. Some of the other neat things that you can do from in here is you can access your invoices and other billing information. We would do that by coming up in here and clicking on the $sign. This will log you into your billing account, and real quickly from in here, you can get an overview. You can click on the Invoices tab, and you can look at all of your current invoices. You can check your current subscriptions. You can even update any billing info that might be in here. Now, another cool thing that you can do is you can purchase SMS credits. A lot of people don't realize that over here, when you're on the main dashboard page where it tells you how many SMS credits you have left, that you can actually click on that, and that will take you directly to the page where you can purchase more. Nice and easy. You don't even have to leave your account. It's another great little feature right there. And lastly, another cool thing that you can do from your manager's account, if you can come up here and if you need to add a new agent seat, you can simply click this button with the +sign, add seat, and this will take you to a specialized page where you can quickly add a 1-line dialer, 3-line dialer, or 4-line dialer seat. So those are some of the cool things that you can do with your manager's account. Again, your manager's account is a very valuable and powerful tool, and definitely something that you could explore how all of those features could be a benefit to you and your organization. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for choosing Salesdialers. Bye-bye.